Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm unboxing my Xbox Carbon Black that I got from Costco. They have a pretty good deal on these, and you'll be able to hook it up to your iPhone, your iPad, your Mac, and your Apple TV. And for scale, I've taken out my Animal Crossing right switch controller. It's wireless. We'll show you how big or how small that looks compared to the Carbon Black Xbox controller. We'll show you some details on the back. You can pause at any time and take a look. The description of how this controller works will be in the description below. There you go, you can pause that and take a look. Okay, here's some more details. Works with the Xbox Series X and S, Xbox One, Windows 10, Android, iOS, and the other ones that I mentioned. Comes with, which is cool, 2 batteries. So batteries are included. I like the case because it fits and sits in there just perfectly. So there's the controller. It has a nice feeling on the bottom. You can tell right here, these are small bits to hold on to the controller. There's like a grip there. So that's nice. So here's where the battery compartment is. Put your batteries in there. And then right here are the included Duracells. So that's nice. Batteries included. And then there is a connection port right there for your headphones and other device. And then here's all the buttons right here. This is completely brand new, never taken out of the box once. There's your connection button right there. This works with Bluetooth as well. They also have a grip here, so you know when you're playing like this that your finger's touching the right paddle. This is smooth, and this one is gripped. This one's also a button right here. And then next to the Switch controller, this is the limited edition Animal Crossing. This is a lot smaller, and soon with iOS 16 you'll be able to hook it up to the iPhone. But this one works with the iPhone, iPad, Mac, and the other devices that Apple sell right now. So there you go, that's the Xbox controller, the Carbon Black. They have other colors as well and other types of controllers, but this is the most popular from Microsoft and Xbox. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.